Okay, so at the time of this recording, I've collected from clients payments of $1,000, $4,000, $2,000, $4,000, $4,000, $5,000, $4,000, $4,000, $1,000, $4,000 for marketing services, AI services, and more specifically, AI video copywriting services. Because what I do is I make AI videos for companies and businesses, and they pay me for the AI videos. Okay. By the way, let me do a refresh here, to prove that it's not fake or, just code. Refresh. It's going to load for you guys real quick. 1, 2, 3. It's loading. Spinning wheel. Whee! There it is. So again, 1,000, 4,000, 2,000. Guys, right? Next page. It's real, right? There you go. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, right? How to collect money from clients on a sales call as a beginner with no experience. This video will be in 4 parts. The first part is setting up your Stripe account to collect payments. Part 2 will be how to send the invoice and the contract on the call to the client or prospect. Part 3 will be onboarding after they pay you. Then part 4 will be a live example of my past sales call. When I was a beginner with no experience, I was shy. You will see me as a beginner on a call, closing a client with no experience, guys, right? As a beginner when I was broke. And that way, you will learn how easy this is. Again, guys, this is easy. Is this scary and new? Yes, but guys, this is so fucking easy, okay? So let's go. Now, by the way, this video will start assuming you've done the pitch on the sales call and the client said yes. If you want my exact sales script to sell your AI skills and services, then that won't be for free, okay? That will be inside our mentorship program where I show you the exact, contract templates, outreach templates, the script. I show you the prompts, the tools that we use, and live client examples for you to go out there and sign clients for AI video copywriting. So again, all that stuff will be inside our mentorship. Now back to the video. To get money from clients, the process is simple. The first step is on the sales call, right after your pitch, and they say yes. They then pay you, so payment, then sign contract, then onboarding. So the first step is setting up your Stripe account to receive payments. Now you want to do this before the sales call. Stripe is simply a tool used to collect money online. And all you do is Google Stripe like that. So it's STRIPE, Stripe. Click on here, create your account right here. Now, once you're inside Stripe, all you need is going to be your name, your address, your phone, date of birth. So DOB. From here, your SSN, social security number. From there, an email for support email. Now this support email can be your Gmail. Then you're gonna need a link. Now this link, guys, for those who don't have a website, just put in the link to your social profiles. So for me back then, that was Facebook. So I would use my Facebook account, it can be Instagram. Just make sure that whatever you put in here is the account where you post, marketing content. So it can be your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, right? Put it in there. Next, you'll need a bank account linked. So this can be your, BFO or BOFA, can be whatever you guys use. I don't know, Chase, whatever, right? Put it in. And then lastly, you'll need a description of your service. So you can just do AI video copywriting, marketing videos for businesses. All right, that's it. Now just use this data here to create your account on Stripe. And then once you're into Stripe, you'll be able to receive here payments like this, okay? Then step 2 is we want to invoice the client on the sales call live from Stripe. To do that here in Stripe, go to invoices on the left right here, click that. Then on the top right, click create invoice in blue, like that. Now be sure to do this live on the call with the prospect and client, okay? Do not do this after the call, right? Do it on the call with them live. So first step is here, customer, click that, add new, full name, client, email, right here, simple, hit save. Then currency, of course, will be USD, or, if you're in Canada, do, of course, Canadian, but right, I'm US, so USD. Here, items, add new one. I'm going to do AI video copywriting, 6 videos. For quantity, do 1, and price, based on what you pitched them, put it here. So let's say it's 2,000, like that. Hit save. Done. Now, let's say you pitch them something else. Let's say it's, instead of 6 videos, let's say it's like a month, right? So 30 days, like that. Save. Done. Now, for here, due, click on today. Like that. And yeah, that's it. Guys, from here, all you do is in the top right, click on send invoice here. You want to click that. Then here again, click on send invoice again. Boom here. And done. So now you see here, the amount, email, it's sent. So again, be sure the client pays this on the call with you. Do not let them leave the call and pay. I'll pay later. No. You pay now, right? Clients are paying right now. Pay fucking today, not tomorrow. Pay now. Because guys, I guarantee if they leave the call, high chance of them not paying you ever again. Okay? So you want to make sure they pay on the call, because if not, they are going to ghost you and give excuses. So be sure they pay on the call, please and thank you. Okay? Just saying. So payment is done. Next step is the contract. You're going to use the contract template right here. Then you go here to this tool called DocuSign and upload your contract as a PDF right here. So upload PDF, bam. Then here, put in your client name. So it can be client name, then client, email, like that, okay? Then bottom right next. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the page, like that. And the right here, you should see the signature and the date fields done for you already. If not, then all you do is left here, you do date signed like that, boom, and signature, that, boom, that's it. Then hit send right there, bottom right. And guys, you want to send this to the clients on the sales call. You want to send them this contract on the sales call and they sign on the sales call, right? Don't make them leave the call. They sign on the sales call, okay? Live in front of you right there. So once they sign this, guys, this tool will send you an email confirming that they've signed it. Again, on the call with you live. And that email should look like this. There it is, right? Completed, signed, done. All right, so that's done. Last step is onboarding. Now for onboarding, guys, this will vary based on who you are and like what you want to do. What I do is simply I create a Slack channel for the clients. And by the way, Slack is free, right? So don't give me any crap. It's free, right? Get it. It's fucking free. Do that. And then you want to send the client an invite to the Slack. Simple. Then create a Google Calendar event with the client's email, and okay, let's do that real quick. So like this, it'll be like, for example, client names like John Brown, AI video copywriting review call, like that. Do the date. Let's say it's gonna be this. Let's say it's gonna be Monday at 8 a.m. Add in their email, so client@email.com, boom, like that. And you want to delete this here, delete this always, X on this. Then guys, you want to get this extension called Zoom for Chrome. So go to Zoom Chrome extension on Google like this. We want to get this here, get this extension, right? Add this, because guys, then this will allow you to do this. Make this a Zoom meeting like this. Then this will add a Zoom link to all your events or the event for you. It's like this. Click that. It's done. Make it a Zoom meeting. Done. Send. Yes. And now the client has a invite for next week at this time where we'll do a review, of the service. Our service, the updates, all the stuff, right? So that's it. So now we're going to watch a recording of me as a beginner, when I was getting started, getting the money from clients, getting the deal closed, and onboarding, invoicing, the whole thing. And guys, my goal is to show you, even as a beginner with no experience, you're shy, you're awkward. Guys, you can do this. Yes, it's scary. Yes, it's new to you and it might be a bit hard in the beginning, but guys, it is so simple. It is so easy. So yeah, let's watch that.
But just before we get started, I saw on your application, you're looking for a done for you service?
All the videos, as far as, the management of YouTube, I'm very familiar with Google and AdWords, negative keywords, being able to target things properly. It's really a management type thing is essentially what we're looking for at this point. So, we have the funnels, we've got the VSLs, we've got the retargeting videos, we have the cold videos. So all of that stuff is pretty much done. So, but yeah, that's essentially what we're looking for. So I don't know what you had to offer. And that's why we're on the phone. Yeah, man, that sounds good. So you're thinking that, what is today? Wednesday? So if I engage with you today, when do you think, assuming that I can get you everything that you need within hours from now, how long will it take you to set up the campaign? Got it. Okay. So you'll set it up. And then at that point, I can kind of just hand off almost to a VA and say, here are the things that we're looking to do. And we want to continuously scale this thing. You just, copy, paste, change some keywords and things like that.
Pretty much.
All right. You want to make $3 grand today?
Sure.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna send you the link to the payment real quick.
Okay. You send it via chat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Tampa.
Mhm.
I used to live in Broward County, actually, back in
Oh, did you?
2011 to 2015.
Okay. Did you go to school there?
Yeah.
Where?
Yep, I went to college in FAU. FAU.
Okay. 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 So you got the payment?
Yep, got it.
Okay. Cool. So if you want, I can pretty much invite you as we speak to the Google Ads campaign, to analytics, and to Google Tag Manager.
Sure.
Cool. So do you have everything you need from me?
Got it. Yep.
I'm going to go ahead and give you carte blanche to go ahead and do your thing.
Sure. Thank you, Ian.
Yep. And then at that point, there you go. Okay, cool. So, all right. Let me know when we're ready to go. I'm not going to touch a damn thing.
All right. Let's do it.
All right. I appreciate it, Ken. Thanks, man.
See ya.
Okay, bye.
You see, I told you, it is so simple, guys. So yeah, that's it. That's how you get money from clients on calls and you get paid. So go out there, get paid, get rich. And again, here's to your success. Take care.